students have done many things like very simple thing in a simple way, how they can remember different formulas, different tricks regarding mathematics and also in science. It was a very fruitful workshop. It will help students to finish the paper in time. Okay, with very simple tricks and all, they can solve the problem at a faster rate. That is more important for students to finish their paper. So it was a wonderful workshop. I am very thankful to Sir Atmaram.
Good afternoon. I thank Sir Atmaram and Shri Shiv Shankar Naikar sir for organizing this crash course. This has helped students to grasp all the important concepts. All the topics from both science and math have been brushed up. The tricks that sir has given us to learn the formulas from trigonometry, that is super hexagon, and the acronyms to learn the series from the science topics were very beneficial to the students. I think that this session must have boosted confidence of students to answer the board exam. On behalf of People's High School, I thank you, sir.
Good day to all of you. I am teacher Diane from Holy Cross High School, Seoul. It was a pleasure to be here for 3 days listening to Sir's speech and his training, various inputs, ideas that he has given on learning maths and science. Sir Atmaram Doctor has helped the students to refresh their memories as well as to revise their maths and science portion. Thank you, sir, for exposing our students to various questions, multiple choice questions. I am sure the students will benefit very well in the upcoming exams. Thank you, sir.
Myself, Sakshi Sushant Sabirkar, I am teaching in Assagao Union High School, Assagao. I am very thankful to Sir Atmaram for taking a maths set very easy. Okay, whatever tricks he has given, it is very useful for a student to finish the paper in time. Especially for maths paper, it takes a lot of time to solve the problem. But whatever tricks, that super hexagon, formulas, whatever in an easy way he has taught us, it will be very helpful for the students and also for the teachers to include these tricks in the academics whenever we are teaching a particular topic. Even in the science, it is a very easy method he has given us to remember everything properly. I am very thankful to all of them.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected dignitaries. Considering the 3 days crash course e-learning workshop, it was really wonderful. I gained a lot of knowledge, so also our students must have been regarding various techniques taught by Sir Atmaram Doctor in mathematics and in science, remembering the topics by considering storytelling and all. That was really wonderful. I thank Sir Atmaram Doctor for such a wonderful 3-day session. I too appreciate Sir's effort to make and slice, uploading it on the net, everything. Really, sir, thank you so much for this remarkable workshop for 3 days. I do thank traders for organizing this workshop for our students. Thank you.
Myself, Tukaram Naik. First, I will thank Atmaram Doctor Sir, Shivani Developers for arranging crash course for the students of our school and as well as the others. Okay. One of the important things that I would like to mention here is that trigonometry being a little bit difficult topic, but the sir has given a method very easy to remember the formula very easy. It's a simple hexagon which I like very much. That method I will try to incorporate into my teaching so that the other batches of the students will benefit from that. Thank you, sir.